Hello, and a very warm welcome to Secrets of Africa. Have you ever wondered what truly holds a community together? Well, across the incredible continent of Africa, the answer often isn't written down in books. Instead, it's alive, in vibrant festivals, in ancient rhythms, and in daily traditions. Today, we're going to take a journey right into the cultural heartbeat of the continent. You know, this quote just says it all, doesn't it? It's a promise of a rich, vibrant world where pretty much everything has a story to tell. So, where should we begin our journey? Well, to really get the spirit of many African societies, we have to start with their celebrations. These festivals, they are so much more than just a party. They're like the very threads that weave the entire fabric of a community together. Each one is packed with deep meaning and history. Let's imagine we're traveling to West Africa, to communities in places like Ghana and Nigeria for the Yam Festival. Just picture it. The streets are absolutely filled with people dressed in their most amazing, colorful clothing. And they've all gathered to honor the land, the very earth that feeds them. It's this incredibly powerful moment of gratitude to nature. And when you look closer, it's a total feast for the senses. You've got tables just overflowing with traditional foods. Lively music is everywhere, and every single detail, from the patterns on the clothes to the sounds of the crowd, it all reinforces this deep, almost sacred connection between people and the land. Okay, so from celebrating the earth, we now turn to honoring leadership with the incredible Durbar Festival in Northern Nigeria. This is just a breathtaking sight. It's a grand procession for kings and local leaders. Imagine horses and their riders in these magnificent, elaborate outfits, just moving with such majesty through the streets as everyone shows their respect. What you're seeing here is this beautiful mix of power and tradition. It isn't just about celebrating the leaders, it's a living showcase of unbelievable horsemanship. But even more importantly, it's a really powerful way to pass down those cultural values of respect and heritage to the younger generations. Now, what fuels these incredible festivals? Well, it's a powerful rhythmic heartbeat, music and dance. And in so many parts of Africa, these aren't just for entertainment. Oh no. They are living, breathing languages that are used to communicate, to teach, and to keep history itself alive. And this brings us to a really fascinating question. In cultures that have strong oral traditions, how do you pass down history? Well, it happens through rhythm and movement. It's like a library of stories, but one that's told not with ink and paper, but with drum beats and dance steps. Just take the djembe drum in West Africa, for example. This is not just an instrument, it's really the voice of the community. Every single beat can send a message about daily life, it can share tribal histories or teach social values. It connects people's hearts and unites them, all without a single word being spoken. Dance, in the same way, has two souls. On one hand, it's a spiritual ritual. Think of the Maasai coming-of-age ceremonies, which mark new stages in life and teach incredible lessons of courage. But it's also a celebration of life, like the powerful Zulu war dances that show the unity and the strength of an entire tribe. But you know, culture isn't only found in these big, grand spectacles. It's also in the quiet, daily customs that really form the true heart of a community. Because culture isn't just something you live on festival days. It's something you live every single day. This is such a simple statement, but it holds a really profound truth. Long before any laws were written down, the foundation of so many African societies was built right there within the family, through all the small, daily acts of respect, cooperation, and just being together. And there are a few key pillars that hold these communities up. It really starts with a deep, genuine respect for elders who are seen as living libraries of wisdom. The family is absolutely central, and you'll often find multiple generations all living together. This creates this amazing web of social cooperation that stretches out to the entire neighborhood. And of course, this rich culture also expresses itself visually through art that is just overflowing with meaning. This isn't art just for decoration's sake. This is art as a language, where every single pattern, every carving, and every color is telling you a story. You can see this visual language everywhere. The famous kente cloth from Ghana, for example. Its unique designs are actually narrating history and showing social status. Maasai sculptures often reflect deep religious beliefs and ancient stories. And traditional jewelry isn't just worn for beauty. It's a way to signify a person's cultural identity and their place in society. Now, the influence of these incredible traditions doesn't just stop at the continent's borders. Oh no. African cultures have given some amazing gifts to the entire world, and they shape our modern globe in ways that we see and hear every single day. And it's amazing, you can draw a direct line from these traditional roots to our modern world. Those ancient West African rhythms, they evolved into the global phenomenon we know as Afrobeat music. The vibrant patterns from traditional clothing, they now inspire international fashion designers. And the art of oral storytelling, it's alive and well today in Africa's award-winning cinema. So, we've journeyed through festivals, music, community, and art. But this is really just scratching the surface. Africa is a continent of endless depth and diversity, which leaves us with one final wonderful question. What secrets are yet to be discovered? If this journey has sparked your curiosity, we'd love for you to continue exploring with us. Follow the Secrets of Africa channel for more journeys just like this one. You can also join our community on Telegram to connect with us. Please like this video to show your support and leave a comment with your thoughts. We really do love hearing from you. And finally, share this discovery with your friends so they can experience this amazing world with us too. Thank you so much for watching.